and we want to present your company to our viewers. So I
Yes.
wonder, would you please give us a brief introduction about your company and the products you are exhibiting this year?
Okay. Hello everyone. This is Jen from KEGU Power. KEGU Power is a professional manufacturer specializing in LED power supply. Since 2008, we have about 40 years history. Here is we show some new products. Here is the smart control system. This items has the PLC home commercial license solution with Zigbee Bluetooth smart control. These products are mostly for the domestic market, and we will show you other items. Tiny series LED drivers from 1 watt to 20 watt. This series LED drivers are compliant with the new ERP in Europe. So this size is very small. You can see the size. Yeah. And here we have the deep switch series LED driver from on-off series, track dimming, 1 to 10 dimming, and also DALI series LED driver. These series drivers are very popular, and it is built-in and independent design. So without the side covers, it is the built-in design, and this one is the independent. So here is also the tiny item with ported inside. So this series is from 8 watt to 36 watt on-off series and track dimmable. Yeah. Here is our smart control for the education series for domestic market. And these are our smart control series. It is Bluetooth and Zigbee. We also have a single tunnel and dual tunnel. Here is the 10 watt and 20 watt. And this year we also have some outdoor series. This outdoor series from 50 watt to 750 watt. Here is the constant current LED drivers. The constant with 3-in-1 dimmable, including PWM dimming, auxiliary power dimming, and 1 to 10 dimming. These drivers we will have TUV SAC certifications.
Okay, so for this product, which market you sell to most?
This for domestic market and the Europe market. And here is the constant voltage series. This series we have drivers from 26 watt to 350 watt. We have two cases. One is a little fat, another one is a slim series. This for the outdoor landscaping and street light. And here is the super slim drivers. These drivers with the deep switch. One items have different output currents. It can adjust by the dips. And we also have the DALI series. This the DALI series it is especially popular in Russian market.
Russian market.
Yeah. And here we also have the plastic series constant voltage LED driver. It's for different application. We have the super flat. The heat is very the height is about 10 a.m. It's suitable for the cabinet light. And we also have the Slim CV series is for the LED strip lights. We have the on-off 1 to 10 dimming and the daily dimming series. And last one we will show you our most popular LED drivers. Yeah. These drivers are the in-track series. We have the brand KGP. It is so popular in Europe, and we sell a lot in Europe market. This series we have the on-off and deep to Kasabi track daily, and also have the 1 to 10 dimming. This series we have the complete solution for LED check light, and it also suitable for the most check in the market. So all these our products here.
Okay,
yeah.
So you see, just now you mentioned those are your most popular products.
Yeah.
So I wonder, what is the biggest selling point for these popular models?
I think it should be the this one. It's deep switch 42 volt. It have about 16 output currents, and now it is the second generation because we make it shorter. The first generation is very long, like this, yeah. So it is shorter. We can put more lights inside the track, so it is much more popular than the first one.
Okay,
and,
thank you.
Yeah, and these items we also have ANAC, SACCB.
Yes,
So
you have
yeah,
many certificates for those products.
yeah. We have the complete
KEGU
solution.
Germany product. It means KEGU Germany products.
Yes, because we have another have the branch company in Germany. It's named KGP.
Oh.
Yeah.
So they must be also be selling very well in European countries.
Yes.
Okay. So how about the warranty time for those products?
Yes, we provide 5 years warranty
5
for
years.
these items. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
We may have many. You see our live stream channel is also broadcasting on Facebook and some other foreign channels. Maybe there are some potential buyers in front of our camera. So behind the screen. So I wonder if there are potential buyers, what would you want to say to the buyers about your company?
Our company have 14 years history in LED driver industry. We have reliable quality. So this 14 years we just focus on one product, LED driver. So KEGU Power is the reliable supply in LED driver. So if you have any inquiry in LED drivers, you can contact me.
Okay. So dear viewers, you see if you have any needs for powers, you can contact KEGU. You can also go to lightstrade.com to contact our customer service. We can find KEGU for you.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Hope you will have big success in this light exhibition.
Okay. Sure.
Bye. Okay. So just now we have visited several driver manufacturers. And we can have further look.